Welcome to 2960A Bayview Avenue in Toronto. Stunning, modern 4 bedrooms plus 4 bathroom townhouse located in prime Bayview Village with private in-suite elevator and 2 private terraces. Steps to best schools, shopping, and transit. Overlooking Bayview Village Park. Finished basement, heated 2-car tandem garage. Lots of luxury upgrades. Walkout to balcony with gas barbecue. Hardwood floors throughout. Large walk-in closet with built-ins. Posh kitchen with high-end appliances. Eco-friendly, save energy and money. You won't want to miss this listing.